Keep the ball nozzle longer. Twist a 4-finger wide bubble and make a barrier knot. Twist another 4-finger wide bubble. Make another barrier knot. Wrap the ball nozzle around the barrier knots and keep it for later. Twist a 3-finger wide bubble to make the upper half of the little monkey's face. Wrap it around barrier knots. Wrap the ball nozzle you just kept around the balloon. Then wrap it around the barrier knot. Twist a 5-finger wide bubble to make a body. Twist 2 small round bubbles to make the monkey's feet. Twist a 5-finger wide bubble. Choose the better side of the face for the front. Twist a 4-finger wide bubble to make the belly. Roll out the rest of the balloon, and it's the tail. Draw eyes and mouth. The little monkey is ready.